Hi! Today I wanted to show you guys the Jeffsun microfiber cleaning towels. They have changed my life. I am so sick and tired of going through numerous amounts of paper towels. So if you're anything like me, you use a lot of paper towels in your house, but now I've switched to these. They come in 3 different colors. This beautiful purple, white, and orange, and you can clean every surface with them. You can use them as a napkin, you can use them as a washcloth, and then when you're done with them, all you have to do is throw them in the washer and clean them. And that's it. You reuse them again. So no more paper towels. Use these high-end microfiber cloths to clean with, and you will not regret it. Also, what I love about these cleaning cloths is they're scratch resistant, oil resistant. So you can use them on your delicate surfaces in your kitchen, around your house. I use them to wipe down mirrors and then dry it with another one, and it leaves it streak free. So I hope you enjoy them as much as I do, and I hope that we can all make changes to stop using so many paper towels in our home.